Today is very important lecture about Excel. 4 important formulas of Excel, namely Sumif function, Sumifs function, Countif function, and Countifs function. How it works? These are very important functions nowadays. Everybody is using these functions nowadays by the accountants and professionals. And I will tell you how these functions works. First of all, I will apply the Sumif function, which I have already taught you in my previous lectures, but here it's a mixture of 4 functions. That's why it is in one video. First of all, I will apply Sumif function. Here is the provided data I have. First of all, I will use this function. I will use the formula Sumif here. First of all, I'll start here. First of all, I will write here Sumif. Then now in the formula it's showing that range. It's asking for some range. For range is here the persons who made the sales during the period. I will select the range here, and then it's asking for some criteria. Criteria is Mr. Hassan. Criteria is this, and from where I want to get the sales, I want to select the sales column, and then bracket close. It will provide data that Hassan has made different sales in different months, in here, and here. If we will add up all these sales, then we will get the total amount of here 155,950. It's here 155,950. It means that it's okay, and it is very easy to apply. Now this is the Sumif function. Now I will tell you the Sumifs function, how it works. Again, I will type here is equal to Sumifs. I will write Sumifs, then it starts here. It asking for some range. Some range is here. Then it's asking for some criteria range. Criteria range is here. Then it's asking for some criteria. I will provide the criteria that Mr. Hassan, how much he has made the sales, and again I will enter another criteria. That now it's asking for criteria range 2. It means that I want to check that Hassan has made in which city in Rawalpindi, how much he has made during the period, in which city he has made the sales. I want to check in Rawalpindi. Then I will select the city range here, and then comma again. I will select the city Rawalpindi. It's my second criteria. First of all, I have selected the criteria range, and then the criteria is Rawalpindi. I want to check that how much sales Mr. Hassan has made in Rawalpindi city in which month. Now I will select month. Again, I will select the criteria range 3, which is the month, and then I will select the criteria which is the month of March. March is here, and also March is here. There are 2 months are coming here, and I will close my bracket here and press enter. It's showing that 80,900 has made Mr. Hassan has made in March in Rawalpindi. The total is 39,450 and 41,450. It means that 80,900 means that 80,900 is okay. Our answer is okay. I'll tell you again that first of all you have to select the first range, then the criteria range. First of all I will select the sum range, then criteria range, then the criteria 1, then again I will select the criteria 2, and then will select the criteria 2. Thirdly I will select the criteria range 3 and select the criteria, and then press enter. It will showing that 80,900 this much sale has been made by Mr. Hassan. This is the Sumifs function. It's very easy. Now I will tell you what is the Countif function. If I'll check that in the persons section, in the persons column, how much time the name of a person comes again and again, like Mr. Hamza comes here in 2 times, and Ali comes here in 2 times, and Hassan comes here in 3 times, and Shahid comes only 1 time. This function will tell you that how much times the name of a person comes again and again. If there is a very large database, then we can check from that very database by this function. It's very easy. I will tell you how. Is equal to, I will write here is equal to count if. Then now it's only 2 things here. It's asking for some range. I will select the range here, and now I will comma, and then I will select the criteria here by writing this inverted comma started, and then select Mr. Hassan. What I will write here, Mr. Hassan, and bracket inverted commas close and bracket close. Now it's showing that there are 3 times Hassan comes here, like here, here and here. 3 times comes here. Now I can also check by changing the name of the person. Like I want to check Mr. Ali, how many times Mr. Ali has come. It's only 2 times because Ali is here and here. It's very easy. Now I will tell you what is the Countifs function. In the Countifs function, if I want to check that in that how many times Hassan comes with Rawalpindi, Hamza comes with Islamabad, Shakir comes with Lahore, Abdullah comes with Peshawar. It will select multiple criteria here. Then we will check that by using the Countifs function. I will select here criteria range. What is the criteria range? Criteria range is here. What is the criteria range? Then I will select the criteria 1. What is the criteria 1? Criteria 1 is Hassan. Then what is the criteria 2? Criteria 2 is I want to check that against which month is coming more. Like I will check that against Rawalpindi it's coming more and more, or how many times. I will select that criteria range 2. Then I will select the city by writing Rawalpindi, and then bracket close. Now it's showing that here that 3 times has come. Hassan comes with Rawalpindi, Hassan comes with Rawalpindi, and Hassan comes with Rawalpindi. It means that there are 3 times Hassan comes with Rawalpindi. It's the easiest way to check from a very big database. Hope you like that, and please subscribe my channel if you like that, to get more and more informative videos. Thanks.